Sila by Kim. Ano na nandun sa mga ng kama? Ang kama, ilalim. Ayan, ano ba? Uy, dito. Basahin mo.
Gusto ko. Ang galing naman.
Basahin mo.
Happy Valentine's, babe. I know I will make you cry and would make you happy at the same time with this gift. I chose to give you this portrait of our Kiko to remind you and me of the love. Yes, Kiko, to remind, yes, for both of us. How we would never want to see us apart. And we'd always insist na hindi tayo, lagi tayo magkasama. We also understood the journey we went through, kaya nga siguro super mahal mo si Kiko. Kasi among me and Carl, Kiko gave you unconditional love. When we saw you confused, he accepted it and never pressured you. Ginawa niya yung sinabi mo to just take care of me while hindi ka pa handa. But when you decided to come back and
Stayed.
he made sure to make you feel how important you are to him. No question asked, walang sumbat or tampo. Kiko just made sure to give us love, unconditional love. Kaya sana every time gusto mo magsungit, look at this picture at maalala mo of the love, Kiko. That's what pass. Just like Kiko, every day should be Valentine's Day. You should never miss the opportunity to let us love. Be a long day, not being together. This Kiko, so this fine waits for us and make us look forward and coming home. Kiko is truly God gift us. Okay, Kiko.
Ito.